Now that we have configured our master plan, we are going to see how to estimate the cost plan. In order to do it, you have to click on this button here that is located on the top bar, which says cost plan. And then the first thing that you have to do is to select the scenario in which you're going to calculate this cost plan. In this case, is this one. And then you have to enter all the unitary prices in a price list of all the elements that are going to shape your master plan, and then configure these elements within the road network system, open spaces system, infrastructures, and residential blocks. So first of all, as you can see, you have to enter all the unitary prices for the setup cost, which are the works that you do at the very beginning in the site, facilities, tertiary uses, road network, open spaces, infrastructures, and then the residential blocks. So here you just have to enter the unitary price of connection road points, clearing the site, also estimating the price of each one of the uses related to facilities and tertiary uses. Then regarding the road network, you have to enter unitary prices that have to do with the pavement, with street lighting, with the trees that you have there, also ECT ducting. And for open spaces, you have to identify, again, if you have trees or not, if you have staying areas and the price that they have, also different kinds of lighting and pavement. Regarding the infrastructure, you have to define the water system, water treatment plants, or underground pipes, rainwater system, and also heating and electricity. So once you have entered all of these unitary prices, you have to enter also the unitary prices for low economy, economy, and comfort classes for both enclosed and open blocks, and also for towers. Finally, you can add some notes if you want. So once you are done entering all these price lists, you have to go to the road network tab, select your scenario again, and then you just have to identify the number of lines and widths that you have for each one of the road network tires. So you have to define if you have car parking or not, if you have pedestrian pathways, bike lanes, which kind of street lights you have, and if these street lights are going to be located every 30 or 50 or 60 meters. And then you have to do it for Tier 1 internal roads, Tier 2 internal roads, Tier 3, Tier 1 perimeter roads, and also Tier 2 perimeter roads. Once you are done with this, you have to go to the open spaces and then select your scenario again. And then you can define the surface finishing, the components such as lighting, staying areas, and trees that you have within each one of the open spaces that you have, parks, boulevards, squares, woods, or whatever. Then we click on the infrastructure tab and go to the cost plan number 1, which is the scenario in which we are working. And then we also have to define how all of these water treatment, electricity, and heating elements are configured within your master plan. Once you're done doing this, you click on residential blocks, and then the only thing that you have to do here is entering the percentage of each one of the low economy, economy, and comfort classes that you have for enclosed blocks, open blocks, and towers. So finally, you can go to the cost plan summary, and then you define again your scenario, and once you have selected, you have an estimation cost for the setup cost, road network, open spaces, facilities, tertiary uses, infrastructure, residential blocks, and also the total amount. So as you can see, this is the way in which you can enter all the data that you need to calculate the cost of your master plan. And I think that with this, you're okay to do it. So thank you very much for listening, and see you guys in the next video.